Is unanimousagree.com really the next go-to destination for men's fashion? Or is it just another questionable online store dressed up to look legitimate? The website certainly makes a strong first impression, showcasing a clean layout with trendy bags, pants, shoes, and clothing, all paired with attractive deals like free shipping on orders over $39. But don't let the presentation fool you. When you start digging a little deeper, some troubling signs begin to surface. First off, the domain check reveals that the website is fairly new, which doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam, but it does raise questions about its credibility and long-term reliability. Then there's the matter of the product images, which don't seem unique to the site. In fact, many of them appear to be copied from other online stores, a tactic commonly used by dropshippers or fraudulent retailers trying to appear more established than they really are. The social media links provided on the site are completely non-functional, leading nowhere or back to the homepage, which is often a deliberate attempt to create the illusion of an active brand presence when there's none. Adding to that, the site uses high-pressure marketing tricks like fake countdown timers and limited stock alerts that refresh. With every page reload, these urgency tactics are designed to push you into making impulse purchases without thinking twice. While there's no hard proof that unanimousagree.com is outright fraudulent, these red flags can't be ignored and certainly make it difficult to recommend the store without hesitation. So if you're tempted by the low prices and polished design, this review will help you see through the surface and think twice before spending your hard-earned money.